Hey guys, good morning. Thursday, January 23. Ganito po ang ating itsura today. Still flurry. You can see you don't see them but I can see. May mga snow pa rin kaya yeah, pero bumaba yung tumaas yung temperature before. Yesterday was 19, negative 19. Ngayon is negative 7 na. Ayan. Not so much snow, hindi kagaya noon na ang kakapal. Ayan. Ako pa yung unang dumaan dyan. First time na dumaan. Na dumaan ngayong umaga. So ito po yung aming itsura ngayon. This winter. I hope yung winter natin this time is hindi masyadong severe. Ayan si Torogi girl, Torogi. Ayan siya, tabunan siya ng ice si Torogi. Ayan. Freezing siya, kawawa naman siya. Pero yes, it is what it is. Negative 7 kami ngayon. Okay guys, dito muna ako, mag-end muna ako ngayon. It's a short video just to update you what's going on here in Niagara Falls, Canada. Bye-bye!